I'm Robin, and today I've brought you a brand new craft. Today we're going to be making Gemstone DIY soaps. So let's get started. What I have here is a block of glycerin, a cutting board, a knife, mixing utensils, a dish for a water bath, and a mold for our gems, colors, and scents. So keep in mind that anytime we work with knives that we want parent supervision or even ask for help because these are sharp and we do not want to get cut. Cutting boards are important so we do not hurt our surface underneath. But first things first is we're going to cut up this glycerin into small cubes. I'm going to be making my gemstones with 3 different colors, so I want to cut enough glycerin soap base to cover all of those. So now that I have these cut up, I'm going to put them in some melting things. I'm going to use about 4 cubes for each color, if they'll fit. I'm just going to pop this in the microwave for about 10-second intervals. Any microwave should do, but all microwave ovens do vary. Be careful when taking these things out, especially if you're going to be heating things in a glass container because these will be extremely hot. It's starting to melt, but it's not melted all the way, so I'm going to give it another 10 seconds. So once your soap base has melted, you can add colors and fragrance. Since I'm going to be making gemstones, I will have 3 different colors, so I want to start with my darkest color first. I've got a red. I'm going to add probably just 4 or 5 drops to this. Stir it around and see if I like that color. I'm going to add a few more drops of red because this is more pink than I would like. I'm going for that really deep red. So now that I have my first color, I'm going to pour them into the bottoms of my molds. So these need to set for just a little longer. I've prepared an ice bath, so I'm just going to pour some of this in so we can cool this wax down. And I'm going to let this sit while I prepare my other color. So again, I'm just going to add 4 of my silicone base. And it's gonna go in the microwave for 10 to 15 second intervals. So now I'm gonna add my second color, which is this nice deep pink. Again, you just want 3 to 5 drops of it. If you want to add fragrance to your soaps, you can do so. Anytime that you add color, you may also use your fragrance. I'm going to put my fragrance in the middle color. This is an anxiety release. It's peppermint oil and yeah, just peppermint oil. So I'm going to add about 5 drops of this. And just give that a stir. So now I'm going to take my mold out of the ice bath. You can see that it's kind of solid. And I'm going to take my pink and just layer it right on top of it. And I'm going to set that right back in its ice bath. While that sits, I'm going to prepare my last color. It will be clear, so I'm just going to clear my cup out and start fresh. Okay, so now that we have set our second color in our ice bath, we're going to create our last and final color, which will be clear. So we're just gonna set these in the cup and give them some seconds in the microwave. So because my last soap base is clear, I still want it to have color, so I am going to put that, fragrance. So I am going to put the fragrance into my clear. Again, you just want about 4 to 5 drops of your fragrance. So now we'll layer our last and final color right on top. So now we're gonna let this sit in our ice bath just a little bit longer so it can harden, and we'll pop them out and see what they look like. Okay, so now that we've had time to let everything set, we're gonna pop these out and see what they look like. Awesome. So here we have our Gemstone soaps. I hope you guys liked our craft today. Be sure and check back weekly. If you liked what we did today, be sure and like and subscribe to our channel. Check back again and we'll be with you with more crafts.